What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do another NASCAR Heat 5 throwback paint scheme. Today, we're going to be doing Terry Labonte's number 5 Kellogg's car, which I believe this is from 1998, 97. Bottom of the car is stamped with 1997. So this is going to be a really simple scheme to make. Let's get her done. Alright, so first things first, if you guys are enjoying these videos, I know this is the third video that we've done. We did Mark Martin and we did Dale Jarrett. So, let's see here. Let's go to the different styles that are here. I want to find the one that's like that straight line going across, so we can do this one. Is there one that's up a little bit higher? No. So, that is the scheme that we're going to end up using. This one right here, which is like almost midway through. So our base paint, we're going to want to do blue, because this is like it's like a royal blue. Very similar to Dale Jarrett's blue. We're going to put it, part of me wants to go lighter. Let's actually check this out. Let's go to the blues and see what we can get to kind of be relatively close to this. Guess it's more along the lines of like, let's go with this one for right now. And then our center stripe. So on the car, he has black right above there. We're actually going to change this bottom one to orange, because the bottom is orange. It's kind of like a light orange, but we'll put that just to kind of get our base together. And we'll go back to this. We'll run down here. Try to find an orange that matches. Damn, that's pretty close. A little bit more fluorescent though. A little brighter. We'll go with that. Now, Terry Labonte, number 5. So we're going to go all the way down to the number 5. So kind of the different thing with this paint scheme is the number is actually red with a white outline. So we're going to go down to number 5. And we're going to pick our number. See, like that will look really good on like all of his other cars. But let's start off by changing it to a red fill. So I'm gonna have this up here so you guys can kind of see. It is kind of like a slanted 5, which I don't really think we have anything along those lines. Damn, car keeps rotating on me. We have the slanted 5 there, but I don't like that 5. We have that slanted 5. But I'm not a fan, so I'm torn between this one, that one, that one. I wish it was bigger. Let's roll with D for right now. So his wheels were black with a red outline, but I don't think we can do the outline anymore. Spoiler color was the matching color of the car. This is going to be a pain in the dick because I don't remember exactly which one I used. I think we were there. Does that look right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lot more than 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 11th one down. What we actually have there. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That looks darker. we'll leave it like that. So now that we got our base paint together, so you guys can kind of see once again, let's get into decals. So obviously I had Tony the Tiger on the hood of the car, right there. See what we can do here that has a little bit of red in it. Red, white, we do Eris. Do Ream. Do Rico. Let's do Lumar. I like that. And then on the side, so he had an array of different decals, majority white. So we're gonna try to find a nice white decal. We could do this, the Schluter. Procore does not look bad either. Could run Eris because it's large. Alright, so at this point, I'm kind of torn between Schluter and Eris. Let's back up. There's Eris. Let's roll with the Schluter. Rear quarter panel, we're going to go back with Lumar. On his deck lid, he had Starburst, so it was yellow. So let's try to find a yellow decal. Could run Napa, Flex Seal, Can-Am, South Point, Hertz, Mechanics, Wicks. I think we're gonna run Hooters. No, not Hooters, Napa, duh, dipshit. And then on the rear, he had white Kellogg's Frosted Flakes around the back. Obviously, we can't do that completely. So let's run Lumar. Now, let's go back up. Run Eris. We'll run Eris on the back. And I think that's it, guys. I think people will get the gist of this car and the car that we just created. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Like I said in the previous uploads, make sure you guys give these videos a big thumbs up. Make sure you let me know if you guys run these paint schemes online. Drop a comment down below if you do. If you guys have any recommendations for what you should do next. I pulled out a lot of my old NASCARs and I'm like playing with to see who I can make and who I can't make. But join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys freaking next one. Later.